Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your old kitchen faucet with a brand new Moen 87966 SRS pull-down faucet. If you have an older pull-out faucet or a side sprayer, this upgrade is going to be a game changer. It looks sleek, operates smoothly, and comes with a lifetime warranty, so you're set for years. Let's dive in. First, let's see what's inside the box. Main Moen 87966 SRS pull-down faucet with pre-attached supply lines, pull-down spray hose and spray head, counterweight for smooth hose retraction, mounting bracket and nut, small tightening tool for installation. Everything's here. So let's move over to the sink. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before starting, turn off your water valves under the sink. Turn clockwise, righty-tighty, to shut off. Hot water is left. Cold is right. If you have a dishwasher line or garbage disposal nearby, that's totally normal. Step 2. Remove the old faucet. Grab a bucket or towel to catch any drips. Loosen the supply lines with an adjustable wrench. Then unscrew by hand. Remove the hose clip on the faucet. Press both sides and pull it out. Find a mounting nut, loosen with a wrench, then remove by hand. Once the nut is off, your old faucet should pull straight out from above. Step 3. Install the new faucet. Place the rubber gasket on the sink hole, beveled side up, feed all hoses down to the hole. Position the handle forward and center the Moen logo. Step 4. Secure the faucet underneath. Slide the mounting bracket under the sink. Hook side toward hoses. Thread the mounting nut by hand. Use the included tightening tool to snug it down. Check from above to make sure it's straight before fully tightening. Pro tip: use a screwdriver through the tool's holes for extra leverage. Step 5. Connect the spray hose. Drop the pull-down hose from the top. Remove the protective cap underneath and snap the hose into the quick connect fitting until you hear a click. Tug gently to make sure it's secure. Step 6. Attach the hose weight. Find the yellow tape on the hose. That's where the weight goes. Snap the two halves together just above the hose band. This ensures the spray head retracts smoothly every time. Step 7. Reconnect the supply lines. Reattach your hot and cold lines to the shutoff valves. Hand tighten first, then snug gently with a wrench, righty-tighty. Support the valve with your hand to prevent twisting the pipes. Step 8. Test for leaks. Slowly turn the water valves back on. Check all connections, visually and by touch, for leaks. Run water for 15 to 20 seconds to clear air and debris. Step 9. Test the faucet features. Screw on the spray head and hand tighten. Test stream mode, spray mode, and the pause button. Make sure the hose retracts easily. Step 10. Final check and wrap up. Check under the sink. Everything should be dry and tight. No leaks? Perfect. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Moen 87966 SRS pull-down kitchen faucet. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY plumbing tutorial. If you're dealing with leaks under your sink, click the video on screen right now. I've got a complete step-by-step guide to fix them. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.